Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the trending Junji Ito horror portrait effect part 2. It's a dark, surreal Halloween photo that's been blowing up online lately, and the best part, you can do it completely free using Google Gemini. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini and then just log in using your Google account, and then after you log in, just tap on create image to access Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This tool is new tool that lets you edit or generate photos instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your own photo. You can use a portrait of yourself, your friend, and maybe any Halloween theme image that you like. And then make sure it's clear and valid so the AI can recognize your face properly. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next we will move on to the fun part. Let's type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just screenshot my prompt and then just copy it and use it, and feel free to tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles like this. And then next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, there it is. Just look how realistic and eerie that is. It's like straight out of a psychological horror movie. And this effect looks insane for a Halloween profile picture, or creepy story post, or even short film poster. So that's how you can make your own Junji Ito horror portrait using Google Gemini Nano Banana. No Photoshop, no paid apps, just pure AI creativity. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.